Tgtx.com. It is Monday, the 9th of September, 9/9/24. These are the charts of the day. Interesting day on Wall Street, particularly with many of the stocks we follow in the biotech sector. That was on fire today. Let's start off once again with one of our old favorites, AAOI, which recently has gone from its pullback low near the 7 range and now up about 13 today, gaining $1.24 to 13.05, not far from the high for the day, 10.5%. Mine picked up to almost 3 million shares. This looks to me like that maybe running up in this angle. And if it does, get through, and this is the key, get to 1360, your set target is 16. ADMA has been in a phenomenal chart for now, about a year, from 3 and change to 18 and change, and today popped out of a coiling-type pattern, from 16.5 to 1934, 1860, last up 234, 14%, 9.5 million. Second biggest volume we've seen going back a couple months. This looks pretty good for a run to maybe the top of the channel, around 21.5. APLD, after pausing following the big gain from 2 days ago, inside day on Friday today exploded, went from 460 to 660. Last was 633 up 178, a 39% gain on 54 million shares. Now I'm looking for a test of these. This tops up here in the 720 range. You get through that, you're looking at 8.5. In the biotech sector, Bicycle Therapeutics popped out of a falling wedge and really smoked it. 20 to 26.95, finishing 26.20 up 5.66. 27.5% gain, nearly a million traded. It's thin, but boy, I'll tell you what, it gets through this zone. You may see a quick 28.75 and then maybe 32. COMM, after breaking out of the base and pulling back and channeling up, now looks fat, like it wants to run right to 6.5 and 7. Beautiful chart. LASE as well, one of our swings. Powerhouse move. 4-day run has taken it from under 3 to over 7. 762 the high today, finishing at 690 up 15%, 91 cents. Volume was a little less than 2 million. This is a thinly traded stock, but you can see it's reached what I would consider a 1, 2, 3. We may need a fourth wave, but the fifth could take us to 11, 12. NUVL coming through to an all-time high, folks. Massive consolidation for the last, for the entire year this year. And today we broke out of a flag, coming across right there, and popped 332, or almost 4%. This one looks like it could run to mid-channel around 108. PI impinge popped out today, B bottom right-handed extended pattern. And it looks like we're going to test the all-time high, 182-ish. We get through that. This could be a $200 stock. Palantir on an inclusion in the S&P 500. Breakaway gap, 145 million shares, and a breakout to new multi-year highs going back to 21. We made very well on this move. Test the all-time high near 39.5. RMTI in the biotech sector popped out and flagged. Today it popped out of a flag and it did it with 1.2 million. It doesn't sound like a lot, but it's a big volume day for that stock. Now I'm targeting 4.25 and then 6. RZLT coming out of a coil. It pulled back and tested the apex and then spiked. 417 to 534. At 530, up 95 cents or 22%. Volume was 1.9 million. Again, a lot of volume for this stock, which is thin. I'm expecting a run to 6, 6.25. SMMT with a big day, jumping 712 or 58% on 48 million shares. A clean breakout of a rising channel and up. Up next, we have TCNNF, which broke out of a long multi-month coil, and we put a swing on it today. It ended up at 10 up 29. No, that's not correct. After hours, I just looked at it. It's trading at 11.17 at the close, actually, so I'm not sure what that is, but the daily chart's incorrect. So 11.17 is right near the prior high. We get through here. I'm looking for 15, 16, and then something in the low 20s. Tgtx also popped out of a falling pattern to the trend line. It looks like it's going to make a run at the 25 level and then 28. Tvtx popped on Friday and had a nice follow-through day today, holding the gap. Big engulfing reversal day, 1065 to 1316, finished 1284 up 186, 17% gain. Mine was strong, 4.4 million. but it's at the channel top. It may pull back and consolidate or make a little bit of a run towards 14. And finally, YOU, that's clear secure. After breaking out a month ago, just kept running. That stock has now gone from 18 to 31 in the last 4 weeks, but the extension says 34 is a possibility. That's it for tonight, everybody. This is HP signing off. Have a great evening.